So, hi children, in that previous video what we discussed ma? We discussed about that nature of roots. So, depends on that nature of roots, here we have that one worksheet. So, that is worksheet 3. So, here first question is there. So, what is that first question? Let us see that. If one root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So, here one of the root they given. So, what is that one of the root? 3 minus 4i. Given that one of the root. Okay. So, one of the root is 3 minus 4i. Okay. So, another root. So, one of the root they given, we need to find that another root. So, children, when we discussed about that nature of roots, at that time I told you that wherever we are having that 3 minus 4i, okay. So, the number, complex number is there, means just we have to take the conjugate number, okay. Conjugate root we have to take here. So, 3 minus 4i is there. So, what is the conjugate root? Another root. So, conjugate root only, no. So, another root is 3 plus 4i. Am I clear to you? Okay. So, from this one, here let alpha is equal to 3 minus 4i and beta is equal to 3 plus 4i. Okay. So, from this one, here first find that is sum of the roots. So, sum of the roots is equal to 3 minus 4i plus 3 plus 4i. So, 4i and 4i gets cancelled, which is equals to 6. Clear? Next, alpha beta. So, 3 minus 4i into 3 plus 4i. So, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, a is 3 square minus 4i whole square. Clear? So, 3 square is 9 minus 4 square is 16 and here I square is there. Okay. So, 9 minus 16 into here I square. So, I square value what is that ma? I is equal to square root of minus 1. So, I square is equal to minus 1. Okay. So, here minus 1. So, 9 minus into minus is plus, 16 into 1 16. So, 16 plus 9 is 25. So, 25 what is that? Product of the roots. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? We need to find that 31a plus b plus c. So, a, b, c values we need to find out. So, where we can say that a, b, c values? Those three values are there in that quadratic equation. So, first we need to find that required quadratic equation. So, from that quadratic equation we have to find that a, b, c. Okay. After just we have to simplify 31a plus b plus c value. Am I clear? So, see that. So, alpha plus beta is equal to, we got it as 6 and alpha beta is equal to 25. Clear? So, what is that required quadratic equation? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So, x square minus alpha plus beta, that is 6 into x plus alpha beta 25 is equal to 0. So, x square minus 6x plus 25 is equal to 0. So, children, what we have to find out? We need to find that a, b, c values from this one. So, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 25. Just compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So, just compare with that. So, by comparing those two, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 25. Okay. So, what we have to find now? We need to find that the value of 31a plus b plus c. Okay. So, 31 into here a is equal to 1 plus b is equal to minus 6 plus c is equal to 25. Clear? So, 31 into 1 is equal to 31 plus into minus minus 6 plus 25. Okay. So, 25 plus 31 which is equals to 56 minus 6 which is equals to 50. Understand? So, what is that value here? Value is 50. So, 50 means they given again 0, 2a, 2b, 2c. So 50 we can write it as 2 into 25. Shall we write like that? 2 into 25. So 2 into 25 is the value of C. So 2C. Only 2C existed ma. Here 50 we got value, no? So here A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 6. C is equal to 25. So here multiplies with 2 they given, no? So 2 ones 2. That is not an answer. 2 6 minus 12. 2 into minus 6 minus 12. Not satisfied. 2 25s 50. So here we got that answer also 50. So satisfying, no? So which option is correct ma here? Yes, 2C. Fourth option is correct. Am I clear to you? Yes. So let us see that next question. Yes. So see here ma. 3 plus 4i is a root of x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. And root 3 minus 2 is a root of x square plus ax plus d is equal to 0. Okay. So what is that another quadratic equation? X square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Okay. So see here the root is 3 plus 4i. One of the root is 3 plus 4i. Okay. And here also one of the root they given, that is alpha 2, which is equals to root 3 minus 2. Root 3 minus 2. So that is the another root. So come to this one, here this is the root. So one of the root they given means this is a complex number. So we have to take the root as a conjugate root. So beta 1 is equal to 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i. And here beta 2 is equal to minus 2 minus root 3. Why? Because here we have to change the sign of root 3 only. So minus 2 minus root 3. Clear? Yes. So come to this one. So here also roots there. What we have to find now? Equation. Why? Because here equation didn't give. Some terms they missed. So we have to find the terms. Okay. So that's why roots are given. So that's why we have to find that quadratic equation. So what is that quadratic equation here? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, which is equal to 0. So x square minus of alpha plus beta. So alpha 1 beta 1. Here also alpha 1 beta 1. So 3 plus 4i plus 3 minus 4i into x plus 3 plus 4i into 3 minus 4i. Already we did this one's previous question, same as it is, no? Okay. So x square minus 4i gets cancelled. So 3 plus 3 6x plus previous we defined this one, no? So again I am not doing this one. See, 3 3 is 9 and here 4 square is there. So 16 I square you will get. So 9 plus 16, which is equals to 25. Okay. So plus 25 is equal to 0. This is a previous problem, just previous what we discussed, that problem only ma. So x square minus 6x plus 25. Okay. Yes. Okay. So here this is the required equation. Completed. Next come to this one. Here quadratic equation is x square minus of alpha 2 plus beta 2 into x plus alpha 2 beta 2, which is equal to 0. Okay. So from this one, x square minus of alpha 2. So root 3 minus 2 and beta 2 minus 2 minus root 3. Okay. Into x. Plus just we have to take the product of these two. So root 3 minus 2 into minus root 3 minus 2, which is equal to 0. Understand? So we have to simplify that. So see here, x square minus root 3 plus root 3 gets cancelled, minus 2, so minus 4, minus into minus plus, so plus 4x. Clear? Plus here root 3 into root 3, so that is 3 only. So but here plus is there, here minus is there, no? So that's why that is minus 3. And here minus into plus, so minus 2 root 3. Next minus into minus plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Minus into minus plus 2 2 is a 4, which is equal to 0. So here plus 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3 gets cancelled. So the leftover x square plus 4x, and here minus 3 plus 4. So plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1, which is equal to 0. So this is one of the equation, and the first equation what we got here, x square minus 6x plus 25 is equal to 0. Understand? And these two equations also they given in place of x square plus, in that question only they given no, x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0, and this is x square plus cx plus d. X square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Okay. Now compare these two. Here capital A. So at the place of A, here minus 6 is there, and B. So B is equal to 25. Clear? Next, here compare these two. C is equal to 4. D is equal to 1. Understand? Now what they asked me here, just we have to arrange in order, any one of the order. So first arrange that one in order. So I want to write this one as A is less than or greater than, onwards say that. So B is greater than, C is greater than, D is greater than A. Shall we take like that? Okay, that option is there or not? See, B is greater than, so B not there. So in that reverse order, A is less than, D is less than, C is less than B. AD, CB. AD, CB. So which option ma? Option 2 is correct. AD, CB. Understand? So let us see that next question, third one. Yes, see here. If one root of the equation, so one root of the equation of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are integers, So here one of the root they given, what is that? Root 5 plus 3. Then the other root, just we have to write the conjugate of this one, that's it. So we have to write this one as 3 plus root 5. Why? Because we have to change the sign in front of root value or imaginary number only. So conjugate root, other root. So what is the other root ma? 3 minus root 5. So which option is correct? Yes, option 2 is correct. Am I clear? Yes. So see that next question, fourth one. Yes, here also, if 4 minus I root 3 is one of the root of a quadratic equation, we need to find that quadratic equation, right? So that's why here they given one of the root, that is alpha is equal to 4 minus I root 3. So we are habituated with this one, no? So what is that? Beta is equal to 4 plus I root 3 or root 3I. Understand? Conjugate roots here we have to take. So now here the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Clear? So x square minus of alpha plus beta. So 4 minus I root 3 plus 4 plus I root 3 plus 4 plus I root 3 into 4 minus I root 3 is equal to 0. Understand? Just I substituted those values. So from this one, x square minus I root 3 gets cancelled. So minus and plus. So 4 plus 4, 8. Here we missed that x, no? So minus 8x plus, here say that a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So a square minus I root 3 whole square, which is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 16, and the square and root gets cancelled, so that is 3, and here I square, which is equal to 0. Okay. So from this one, x square minus 8x plus 16, and here I square means minus 1. So minus 3 into minus 1. What we will get here? Minus into minus plus. So 3 into 1, 3. So that is 16 minus 3. Okay. 16 minus 3 into minus 1, which is equal to 0. So x square minus 8x plus 16, minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 0. So here x square minus 8x plus 19 is equal to 0. Understand? So which option is correct, ma? X square minus 8x plus 19, which is equal to 0. So second option is correct here. Am I clear to you, children? Yes. So in this video we learned that 1 to 4 questions. So the leftover questions we will learn in that next video. Okay, thank you all.